your ideas germinate to fruition. Just watch it materialize. I think the co-founders does a great job by kind of synergizing what you have intrinsically and sort of manifesting that externally and bringing that to life. It brings your imagination. Drum box brings a creative person's imagination to life. And it does it in a sort of raw, organic way. Not in an over-professional, it's not in a professional, over-commercialized way. Because when something is over-professional, over-commercialized,
yeah, absolutely.
there's a high level of inauthenticity to it, right? So it's sort of natural, it's raw, it's organic, and it's also professional, but it's to a level where it kind of
It does say something about yourself. This trail that you leave of ideas and thoughts, that is telling in its own way.
Yeah, because we are sort of in a situational irony because there is not to crack. This is who I am, my authentic self. There's nothing beyond this point. I can transcend into different dimensions. Yo, you only have freaking joke I'm about to kill my blood clot Jamaica, you know. Me go suck your bumbo clot mama. You talk to a bumbo clot Jamaican like that. Me no want to hear you go suck your mama. I am from Zimbabwe. Sakpase, Zabule, I'm Hitchat. You want to talk to me? You want to talk to me? You want to go back to Africa with me? In Trinidad and Tobago, we are bottom dog and we are vagrant. Trinidad and Tobago. My madre from the Dominican Republic, my padre from Puerto Rico. Ha tenido pulmonía progresiva o otro infección del pulmón. Hi, my name is Benny. I'm from San Francisco. Hey! It's less about character and more about transitioning into different dimensions. Do you understand that?
I do. Each of those things you pulled, though, for that example,
Yes.
says a little bit about something about you, though.
I believe so. It says that I can be what... You know, in Zimbabwe, we did not have a lot of utensils.
Is this how they talk in Zimbabwe? I haven't been.
We had to go in the back and we had to dig holes and we had to dupe in the holes.
Is Zimbabwe underwater? It sounds kind of like
It's
maybe.
kind of, we have, yes, we are. In Zimbabwe, we live underwater.